Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, March 24. The time is around 1:30 a.m. GMT. For today, we are looking at the chart of the pound yen. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We can see we have ended with 1 here in the intermediate degree at 158.5, and we ended with 2 rally. With 2 corrective rally at 163.3. You can see the rally here is corrective, right? It ended at the 100% extension without any extension, and also looks to me like a 3 swing with a lot of overlap right here. For example, this one is a 3 waves and another 3 waves here. So all in all, the structure of the rally is corrective, which is favoring more downside, and it reacts lower nicely when it reaches 100% extension. The Y is equal to the W, this area, and then starts to turn lower. So now we are calling the aggressive view, calling that this is already starting to go down, and then it's going to extend lower in a wave 3, and as long as we stay below 163.3, we should continue to see more downside. So you notice here the arrow is still turning down. It's not red. Red means right side down. And once we break below this previous low, this arrow is going to turn red and become bearish in the shorter cycle. But for now, again, we are calling the more aggressive view. Even though we have not gotten the confirmation, we are looking for more downside. So technically, as an alternate, for example, we could be doing what we call a double correction. So meaning we could be doing a bigger WXY, right? As long as we have not broken below here, this possibility always exists, right? As an alternate path, it always exists. But again, that's not our primary call. Our primary call is the more aggressive view, calling for more downside. Now, if you look at the other yen pairs like the Aussie yen and the Canadian dollar yen, they're already very close to break below the previous low. So I think the right side is indeed to be in the aggressive side here. Now, if I look at the daily time frame, I'm gonna copy this one in the blue color in the daily time frame, which is over here. Now you can see we have this leg here, right? And we also start a new leg here as a 5 ways 1 2. So if this is gonna go down in a 3, right? Eventually it's gonna break below 1, and it's also gonna break below this January low, and then that will create another bigger lower low sequence, which is bearish, right? So break below here suggests, okay, wave 3 is in progress, and then break below here is opening up even more downside like this into at least 100% extension, right? So again, as long as we stay below 163.3, right, we are looking for more downside in the pound yen. So if you like to have further updates on the pound yen or any other forex pairs, indices, stocks, commodities, cryptos, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next week. Have a nice weekend, everyone.